foodies, Chef Pete here again from Carpizzo's Kitchen, and guess what we're going to do today? We're going to make either a vegetarian's beautiful meal, or we're going to make an appetizer. So guess what? I've got two, Anthony will show you here on the table, two Portobello mushrooms. And what I've done is I've taken the stem off and I've taken the inside little finny things off. You know, little finny stuff in there that nobody likes to eat. Okay, I took them off because we're going to make, what are we going to make? A Portobello mushroom pizza. Okay, so let's see how we do this. First off, what I've done is I've sprayed the inside of these with a little olive oil. And then I'm going to go and put some tomato in here. Just kind of sort of fill it up with the olive oil that's in there already that I sprayed. Because what we're going to do is make like a little pizza sauce inside. Just like this. Just like that is how we do it. Okay. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to give it just a little salt because I didn't give it any salt. And if you like pepper, use pepper. If not, don't use it. Don't worry about it. And then I'm going to go with garlic powder. A little garlic powder. Just a little bit. Okay, and then a little bit of Italian seasoning in here, just right there, right in the dead center, okay? All right, now what we're gonna do is go on top of this with some mozzarella cheese. So get yourself some good shredded mozzarella cheese, all right? And I'm gonna go right on the top, just like that with our mozzarella, right on top, just like this, just like this. And then what we're going to do, now that we've got that there, is go with just a little bit more of this Italian seasoning. And I cut some of these beautiful little tomatoes here.
They're so red.
Yeah, these are our little grape tomatoes. And we're just going to go across the top with some of these. Just like that to make it so that they melt in when the cheese melts and they get a little bit cooked up here. And there we go. I've got one for here and one in there and there. By God, I got it. They're all on there. Okay.
Looks like a pinwheel.
So there we go. Now, if you like, because we put tomatoes, you guys can go with just a little bit of basil. So that's what I think I'm going to do because, you know, basil goes with tomatoes. Okay, whether it's fresh basil, whether it's basil that is dried like this, and we're going to go just with a little bit on these here, just a little itty bitty, just like that, okay? All right, and then we're going to pop these into our 450 degree oven over here, and I've got it on, and we're going to go until we melt the cheese, and these mushrooms will be ready for us to eat. So in it goes, and there you have it. Let it go for about 8 to 10 minutes. It should be bubbling, and we'll have a nice appetizer or a vegetarian meal, as long as you eat cheese. Okay, so there we go. All right, as always, we've got it. Good. So this is Peter Carpizzo's Kitchen. Cook, eat, and enjoy, because that's what we love to do here. And as always, Pete out.